In economic growth age, about around 1960s to 70s, the city area of Otsuchi was expanded towards the bay, towards the sea. This is Shinko district, which means new port district. It is clear that this district is located just on the route of tsunami wave. Actually, the huge wave broke the tsunami protection wall, sea wall, easily and completely destroyed Shinko district by dreadful power. I will show you some slides. This is destroyed sea wall, protection wall in Shinko district. And many buildings of reinforced concrete fell on its sides or crushed out of shape. Incredible power of wave or tsunami. And here, there was a railway viaduct, Yamada-sen JR line. But girders were all washed away, and its piers were broke at the root. So it is very difficult to imagine what kind of forces acted upon these solid concretes. So it is easy to understand this Shinko district is a very dangerous zone from the viewpoint of powerful tsunami. And we have to remember that we have been developed this kind of dangerous area by using modern technology or by constructing defense system or structures by civil engineering. And I want to show you from these slides, these cherry trees. This is a hope for us, Japanese. Of course, very small but precious hope for townspeople, I believe. The cherry tree is in blossom, even the tree was stricken by huge power of tsunami and flooded by salt water, seawater. So I thought when I watched these cherry blossoms, our life is full of hardship, difficulties. But spring always comes every year with cherry blossoms. Of course, what is important is not only spring or cherry blossoms, the sense on 4 seasons. In other words, the sense to live with the nature's cycle. I think it's a basis of Japanese mentality. So I believe many wounded people have encouraged by a little bit, but encouraged by these cherry blossoms. And next, I have to discuss how to plan the reconstruction strategy, but I have not prepared enough. So to show the persuasive strategy. So I will show you only some basic principles as my personal opinion. First of all, we have to understand about the population forecast on Otsuchi town. This data was made public in perhaps 2005. And depending on this data, in 2035, the population of Otsuchi will be 9,850. Of course, we have to revise this number to 8,250 because 1,600 people are dead and missing by this last tsunami. For me, it's quite difficult how to imagine the future of Otsuchi under the condition of decreasing its population. But this is very important precondition for reconstruction plan or strategy. Now, perhaps many specialists like planners or engineers discuss how to reconstruct the, for example, tsunami defense system, or how to develop new town in highland area or mountainous area. But in general, I think their discussion lacks how to bring the town to life under this severe condition of population. Of course, we cannot live only depends on safety. So this is a second article of my strategy. It is indispensable to think how to regenerate the Otsuchi town for 8 or 9,000 people who are full of lives. For reference, the population of Otsuchi in 1922 was 9,561. So next slide, I will show you the Otsuchi map in 1916. The notable feature of this map is urbanized area is very, very limited around the foot of mountains, and the land use is very well organized.